Welcome to the world of Barbie. So you want to see how Barbie really lived in the mid-century? Come on in a little closer and let me just show you her great first home. So this is Barbie. As you know, Barbie comes many different ways, and this is her really wanting to show off her home. So let's open up the doors. Barbie, I'm going to ask you to sit aside here while we do that. So we'll start by opening up Barbie's house. Open the gates, and what have we inside? Wow! Look at Barbie's home. So let's just kind of walk through here. So of course Barbie likes to either use this as an ironing board, or she can also use it as a little bar to have her morning drinks. And then if we move along here, let's open up. Here is Barbie's refrigerator and freezer. Look at that. Oh, there's even food inside. And then of course, to show you just how mid-century this is, here comes Barbie. Ring a ring a ring. The phone is ringing. This is a corded phone. So she answers the phone, which many people don't even know about corded phones. But she's answering the phone and then she's hanging up. She's finished. And look, she's got a microwave oven here so she can put her stuff in microwave. And then she can even do some dishes. Then Barbie's like, I think I want to take a nice bath. It's time for a bath. Okay, Barbie. So over she comes, and she has got a Murphy's bed. She pulls down the Murphy bed, which you can see she can sleep in, or she's got a lovely, luxurious bathtub that she can get in, of course, without her clothes. Then when that's finished, she puts it back up, and now let's go to bed. So let's flip this around. Stop at the fireplace, get warmed up a little bit. And now, look at this. She actually has a laptop, which is also very current, and a little bunk bed here where she can go and listen to some music. So thank you so much for coming to my humble abode. This is what my first apartment looked like, and I hope you really enjoyed it. But wait to see how I level up in my mansion. See you soon.